Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at how filters work within the Contacts application. The user can access the filters option by clicking on the filters button. Once open, the user can checklist the required filters from the displayed list and click Apply. The filters are applied and the contacts are retrieved based on the conditions specified. The filters can be cleared by either clicking on the Clear Config button in the landing page or by clicking the Clear Filters button within the Filters option. The user can also select various types of filters and save them as a configuration by clicking on the Create My Filter option. The user can provide a filter name and also a description and save. The user can access the created filter through the My Filters tab. The user-created filters can also be shared to other employees by clicking on the Share button and typing the name of the employee. Once done, the configuration will be migrated to their My Filters section for the same to use. The filters can be edited and deleted as well. The order of filters to be displayed within the Filters section can be edited by clicking on the Customize Filters option. Here, by rearranging the order and applying, the order changes will be reflected here. The Reset Filter option removes all the changes within the Filter section. Thank you for watching.